Hello, I'm Nadine. I'm so happy you're here. A very warm welcome. So, today we're making banana bread. This recipe is foolproof. It'll be moist, it'll be yummy, and we're going to make it look very, very pretty. Also, your home will smell fantastic. How good does that sound? Let me show you how. Okay, let's do this. So, the oven is preheating at 350 Fahrenheit, and I have greased the pans. I'm going to use four of these small pans, but you can use a bigger 9 by 5 loaf pan. And I put some parchment paper on the bottom. I'm just going to use this hand mixer to mix this. You can use a stand mixer with a paddle attachment or even a whisk, whatever you have. Half a cup of vegetable oil. Then the sugars, we have half a cup of white sugar and half a cup of brown sugar. Mix, mix, mix. Then we'll add 3 large eggs. Next we'll put the sour cream, half a cup of sour cream. And I've mashed up 4 bananas. It's a little over a cup because the sizes can vary. And make sure the bananas are very, very ripe. So when they start looking dark and black and kind of gross, they're perfect to make banana bread. And a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So this is all our wet stuff. And mix, mix, mix. Then I've sifted 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add that. And then here I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of salt. And in this stage we won't overmix, just till it comes together. And then I'm going to add a half a cup of walnuts. You can also use toasted pecans. They also go very well with this. I love nuts in my banana bread. Some people don't. Let me know in the comments if you're team nuts or not. That's it, it's ready, and now we're going to put it in the pan. Also, I'm going to have these baking dessert recipes here every week, so please remember to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. I'm just going to spoon the mixture in because I'm making these individual ones. If you have a bigger pan, then you can just dump it all in. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the oven at 350 for about half an hour. If you're making a bigger pan, obviously it'll take longer, maybe 45-50 minutes. Once you put a toothpick or a screwer in, it should come out clean and it'll start turning golden brown. So that's when you know that it's ready. Now for my favorite part, we're going to make these look really, really pretty. I made these earlier, but once your banana bread is cooled down, you can do 2 things. So the first thing is that we can pack them. They make the perfect hostess gift, or they're perfect for a picnic. So I just wrapped it with some cling wrap so that they don't dry out. Then you can take some pretty paper, whatever color you like, prints, so many possibilities, and then just wrap it, and then with some pretty ribbon we're just gonna tie a bow. Another thing you can do is decorate these with edible flowers. So I just put a little bit of sugar syrup on this, and you just literally place them on top. These I have some pansies. Just make sure the flowers are edible, because you don't want to kill your loved ones. That is a good rule of thumb. And just do this right before you're serving, because then they'll start wilting. Pansies are good, nasturtium, marigold, roses, these are all edible flowers. I just used this butterfly cutter and made these butterflies out of fondant. So you can add a couple, because why not? And there you have it, pretty. Now let's taste this. Yummy, it's moist, there's this nutty flavor. I love it. Whenever you make banana bread, your home smells so good. For that reason alone, you must try this recipe. If you do make it, let me know in the comments below how it turned out, or tag me on Instagram. I love seeing those pics. It makes me so happy that the recipe makes its way into your homes. And I'm gonna have these recipes here every week, so please remember to subscribe, like the video, and hit the bell. The full recipe will be on my website, nadineali.com. I hope you share this with your loved ones. Until next time.